Welcome to Kloudio's Intercom integration setup tutorial. Today, I'll be walking you through step-by-step how to 1. Create an intercom connection on Kloudio. 2. Create reports using this intercom connection. Before we get started, please ensure you're signed in to your Kloudio account. Once logged in, go to your home dashboard and select Connections. Proceed by selecting the orange New Connection button on the top right corner of your screen. Now, you should see all the available connections available for setup. Go ahead and scroll down to Web Applications and select the blue Setup button under Intercom. Here, you will enter your Intercom account information. Please authorize access for Kloudio in order to proceed. Now it's time to set up your Intercom data sync settings. This will enable you to sync your Intercom data to a data warehouse of your choice. First, enter a connection name for your Intercom connection. Then choose an existing database connection to sync your Intercom data to. Give a schema name within the database where you'd like your Intercom data to be stored. Choose the Intercom objects you'd like to sync. Next, select your preferred sync schedule. And finally, select the green Sync and Save button at the top right corner to complete this step. By now, you should see a notification indicating the sync job is running, and then sync job runs successful when completed. Now that your Intercom connection is created and data is synced, you can create reports from customer conversations, user profiles, user segments, and additional Intercom data easily using Kloudio. To get started, go back to your home dashboard and select Reports. Proceed by selecting the orange New Report button on the top right corner of your screen and Report Builder in the drop-down menu. To build your report, start by indicating what data elements you want to be included. Select the connection you created earlier. Choose the schema that you named earlier when creating connection. If you know the table from where you would like to include columns in your report, type the name or the first few letters in the next text box and click Search. Or simply pick your table from the list below. Select all or individual columns in the report by clicking on the column name. Name your Intercom report. Configure advanced properties and filters for your report. Save your work. Finally, select Test in the top right to ensure there are no errors. To export your report, just select the green Export button in the top right. You can also use our Google Sheets add-on or Excel add-on to get data directly on your spreadsheet and schedule auto-refreshes. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Kloudio report using your Intercom data. To know more about Kloudio, subscribe to our channel or contact us at www.kloud.io.